Alright, we're going to fly the Force 1 Ghost. Actually, I've flown 2 other drones today. I've flown through the Spark and the Bebop 2. Oh, come on now. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright. Woo! Alright, Kim, I don't know if I've forgotten how to fly this thing. Alright. Whoa! As you see, there's no compass, no GPS. This is a seat of your pants flying right here. Let's see which way she's going. Oh, the wind. Alright. You got that? You got that? Alright, this is the Force 1 Ghost. Same thing as the Bugs 3. And this is nice. This is cool. I'm just hanging out. Obviously, I don't have the camera on it. Or the legs. Because I like flying like this. Whoa! You got it? You got it? Sorry about that. I have Madison Vlogs recording this. She hasn't uploaded a video in a while. So punishment is for her to record a video for me. I'm going to lose this. Let's come back this way. Let me come backwards. You got it? I'm gonna try not to crash this, because if I crash it, it'll be like 5,000 views and a bunch of people saying ha 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 ha. There we are. That's the Force 1 Ghost. Just flying with the controller. Come back this way. And I haven't had this thing out for a while. And I had the blue canopy on versus the white canopy because I saw Kim in his video. He had the blue one and it looked really cool. Alright. I just want to kind of hang out. Like, you know, normal people do. Oh no! She wants to go this way. I only have it in low rate. I don't have it in high rate. Because you see the tree up there is kind of blowing. It is windy. Sorry. Whoa. Let me take it out. Sorry about that, Madison. Whoa! Yeah, you don't want to be close to those blades. It'll cut you. Oh, and it is windy. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Before I lose it. You got it, Mary?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'll bring it over here. Sorry. I keep on laughing because I almost killed my daughter flying this drone. I'm going to bring her down nice and gentle here so you can record it. So, I only paid $35 for this. Whoa! Huh. I lost my freaking drone up the tree. I lost a drone up the tree. Stop it.